That used to a gas stove. Sorry.
Last thing I want is food right now.
Right away. You know, I have 3 feelings to walk. Never mind, I was rolling on mine.
A cheap day.
I'll get up here.
For Dr. Glassman.
He's in the shower. Do you wanna
When
come on?
did the shower begin?
He just got in.
Showers are at least 9 minutes. I'd be late to work. I'll wait. This is important.
Is there something I can help with?
The florist told me that pink roses express passion and the purple lilies convey devotion. But I feel both passion and devotion for Carly.
You could give her both.
Please ask Dr. Glassman to text me the answer as soon as he gets out of the shower.
Well, what's Carly's favorite color? Because flowers don't really have meaning. That's just a tactic to boost sales.
Purple.
There you go. Hi, Sean.
I'd like to have sex tonight. Would you?
Yes.
Thirty-nine-year-old male, multi-car accident, blunt abdominal injuries, including ruptured spleen and lacerated liver.
This is GCS.
9.
Heard nail for food in the red of a corporate.
We need no more staff. Please blend us.
We're at our engagement photo shoot.
I thought it was just a migraine. I get them sometimes with the flashing lights.
She started slurring her words.
I was trying to tell him, but I couldn't feel or move my left side. The only thing that got me through was Tony telling me, okay, it will be.
How long before your symptoms began to subside?
About half an hour. By the time we got here, all I had was left headache.
I think you had a transient ischemic attack. A knee stroke.
A stroke.
Mini.
Jeannie's 25.
Which is why we need an MRI, cardiac echo, and labs before. For sure.
Or is it bleeding?